Azure cert rotation killed our VPN. Here's how I fixed it. It's 2 a.m. Your phone won't stop ringing. 500 users can't connect to VPN. You open GlobalProtect authentication failure. You check the firewall system logs, SAML assertion signature verification failed. And then it hits you, someone rotated the Azure signing certificate, or the certificate has expired without telling the cybersecurity operations team. This is exactly how it happens in production. I'm going to show you how to reproduce it, diagnose it, and fix it in under 5 minutes. Let me show you the exact sequence that breaks this. In EntraID, navigate to your enterprise application, go to single sign-on, and under SAML certificates, you'll see the active signing certificate. I'm going to generate a new certificate and activate it without touching Palo Alto. This simulates what happens when the Azure or identity team does a routine cert rotation without coordinating with the network team. Certificate rotated on the Azure side. Palo Alto is still configured with the old signing certificate. The SAML trust is now broken. Let's see the impact. I open the GlobalProtect client and attempt to authenticate. It fails immediately, no meaningful errors surface to the end user, just authentication failure. The real information is in the firewall. Go to Monitor, Logs, System, and Filter by SAML. Here it is, SAML response signature verification failed. The firewall is attempting to validate the assertion using the old IDP certificate, but Azure is now signing with the new one. Cryptographic mismatch. Assertion rejected. This is your diagnostic path in production. Always check system logs filtered by SAML before touching anything. The fix is clean and takes under 3 minutes. No CLI required. Step 1. Locate the new or expired certificate and download Federation Metadata. First, go to EntraID, Enterprise Applications, select your GlobalProtect app, and open Single Sign-On. Under the SAML Certificates section, you'll see all certificates listed, active, expired, and newly created. This is where you confirm which certificate is currently signing assertions and whether it's expired or has been rotated. If the certificate has expired, you'll need to generate a new one right here before proceeding. Once you've confirmed the new certificate is active, download the Federation Metadata XML from the same page. This file contains the new signing certificate, the entity ID, and all the SSO endpoints, everything Palo Alto needs. Step 2. Import new SAML IDP server profile. In Palo Alto, navigate to Device, Server Profiles, SAML Identity Provider. Add a new profile and import the Federation Metadata XML. PANOS will automatically parse the new signing certificate, the SSO redirect and post bindings, and the SLO endpoint. Name it clearly. I'm using Azure SAML v2, so it's obvious this is the updated profile. Step 3. Update Authentication Profile. Go to Device, Authentication Profile, open your existing GP Authentication Profile, and update the SAML IDP Server Profile field to point to the new profile, Azure SAML v2. This is the critical step that most people miss. Importing the metadata alone does nothing until the authentication profile references it. Commit. If this saved you from a 2 a.m. incident, please like and subscribe. It helps more engineers find this content. And drop in the comments the worst VPN outage you've dealt with. I'll reply to everyone.